No, because that is the problem. That's what everybody thinks with battle ropes. It's this. It has to be this. It's like, no, you can do it here. And you'll feel your abs engage far more. What's going on? Aaron Guyett, Master Coach of Battle Ropes and the Education Director here at Living.Fit. I got Martinez, my fellow Master Coach, and we're talking about the biggest problem I see all over YouTube. I see it all over Instagram. Show them what's up. Too much tension in this rope. So as we have too much tension, he has to stick his butt way out. I know Instagram fans, maybe he wants that, I don't know. The other thing, he's gonna round out his shoulder, right? He's blasting his back, especially his lower back. He's not engaging his abs at all. So he just takes a big, giant step forward, stands up tall like he actually wants to live and thrive in the world, and then get after it. So as he's getting after it, what he's gonna probably notice is when he sticks his butt back, it turns off his abs just a little bit. When he sticks his butt forward,
so much harder.
Right? Feeling it in the abs now. So lots of anterior engagement as well as posterior engagement. His shoulders are down and back. It's actually harder because he's actually moving more of the rope, and he has room to move. He doesn't have to round his shoulders and shutting off that actual capacity to be able to move. So if you want to learn more about how to use the battle ropes and more importantly how to program battle ropes with wave physics, check out Battle Rope Fundamentals Living.Fit.
Oh, man.